Hello folks, welcome to LexCIS Academy. In this video, we will be discussing a current affair topic presented to you by your faculty, Sushma KP. So what is the topic that we will be discussing today? HAL is on track to deliver Tejas fighter aircraft. In this video, we will be seeing as to why is it news, what is the relevance of it to UPSC, that is your GS paper 3. We will be seeing about your features of your light combat aircraft. We will seeing about the variants of your Tejas aircraft. Okay. We will also be seeing about the implications with regard to your international domain, especially in your geopolitical tense zones. Look at this. The LCM Mark 1A project has been hit by delays due to supply chain issues faced by the supplier GE of the US and the severely declining squadron strength of the Indian Air Force. Before we get into the topic, we have a small announcement from LexCIS Academy, wherein for those of you who want to visualize your civil service examinations dream, look no more. We have started our batches, which will be starting from May 12th onwards. For those of you who wish to clear this exam, you know there are three stages: prelims, mains, interview. All three stages are handheld and hand guided by your LexCIS Academy, be it from your mock tests, mains answer writing, or your interview, mock panel interviews. And we also make sure, irrespective of whichever your educational background is, whatever your foundation courses strength be, LexCIS Academy makes it a mandate to first offer you a foundation course, that is your NCRT courses, bring you on par, and then give you the advanced classes. To make sure you have an individual personalized mentorship, it has kept its class strength level strictly at 40 member per batch. The seats are closing up. Do check it out. Any more details that you want regarding the classes, all of those will be provided in the description box below. If at all you want to assess any demo classes from LexCIS, you can visit LexCIS mobile application. Otherwise, you can schedule an offline demo class and attend and see the classes for yourself. Okay. For those of you who are attempting prelims 2025, LexCIS Academy has come up with all India free mock test for prelims. Do make utilization of that and see where you stand in the preparation. Coming back to the topic, listen to it like a story. Recently, your Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, or your HAL, has told that within 2 weeks or in the first week of April, it will deliver Tejas Mk1A fighter jet to the Indian Air Force. First of all, understand few things. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, China. India is in a very high tense zone, geopolitically also, Indo-Pak, Indo-Bangladesh, Indo-China. We've had a lot of issues with your Indo-Pak or your Indo-Bangladesh with respect to Indo-China. And to this, one of the most strong, important things right now we need strength is in our Air Force. Why? Because your countries such as your Russia, China, USA F-35s, China J-20s, Russia Sukhois. So they are all going ahead with your 5G, fifth generation aircrafts, while India is still stuck with aging aircraft variants, delay in making advanced variants. For example, the sanctioned is 42 squadrons, but we only have 31 to 32 squadrons. India is lagging behind, especially when you're Pakistan, China, all of these member countries are increasing their squadron limit, they're increasing their air fleet. This is now proving a very challenging place for India in South Asia, especially among its hostile neighbors. So for this, one of the important things right now our aircraft needs is increasing its two agenda. Increasing its squadrons. Second thing is replace the aging aircrafts, because these are not giving us the aerial supremacy, especially in your Indo-Pak areas and Indo-Bangla areas. So this comes as a big relief that it is already delayed by 2 weeks. The reason your HAL is telling it is delayed by 2 weeks is because it is not getting proper engine parts that is getting from your GE, that is your US based suppliers. Now, again, same thing. When I tell, so what, they will delay it just because they don't have engine parts. Now, yes, fine. Engine parts, we have bought it. Main on main, when we say Tejas Mk1A, I will tell you one small example. Just understand how important your advanced technology is, especially for this. Your HAL is your state-owned enterprise. Right now, for your making of Tejas, we are relying on two facilities: Nashik facility, Bangalore facility. Wherein they are expecting that within a year they will make 16 aircrafts from your Bengaluru facility and 5 aircrafts from your Nashik facility. And Nashik facility has the experience because they have always been in the maintenance of your MiGs and your Sukhois. So much so that your Nashik facility is called as your MiG complex. Yes, they have been known for this, but your Tejas Mk1A variant is a little bit more advanced. How do I mean? One example I'll tell you. Your Tejas Mk1A body part, if it has to be assembled, 8,000 holes have to be drilled into it. Okay, 8,000 holes have to be drilled into it. To drill each hole, this is not your normal thing where you just put something and it'll drill. This is a fighter jet we are talking about. So it needs precision, ultra precision, 8,000 holes drilled. And to drill each hole, it takes about 25 to 30 minutes. And like that, how many is needed? 8,000 holes are needed. So do you see the time it will take consume is higher and it has to be precision. But now your L&T has come up with robot hole drilling, robotic drilling, which will drill each hole in 1 minute. Do you see the need for advancements in making these things? And if any of these gets delayed, why it is taking that much of time? HAL is planning to roll out first Tejas Mk1A from its Nashik facility by April or May 2025. Understanding? Now, look at this. Your Nashik plant is almost like we discussed, is considered like a MiG complex because it has been servicing and maintaining and providing expert facilities for your maintenance of MiG and Su-30 Mk1 for a very long period of time. But again, yes, it has been there, but the present variant of Tejas is even more advanced and compared to the previous ones. The production lines are in both Bengaluru and Nashik. Presently, they are thinking they will increase it to 20. Later, they want to increase it to 30 aircrafts per year. The initial, we have come up with Tejas Mk1A variant is because of the success of your Tejas LCA, that is your light combat aircraft. So this has prompted us to making India self-sufficient and self-reliant on your defense production. Okay. So what are the issues with regard to your presently delivering your Tejas Mk1A variant is supply chain issues, the engine to be provided by the GE of your US. Sanctioned is 42 squadrons. Presently, we have only 31 squadrons. We have aging fighter jets which badly needs replacement because we are not having aerial supremacy, especially in a geopolitical hotspot like we spoke India, China, India, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh. The aging fighter jets are your Mirage 2000, MiG-29 Jaguar jets, which are offering reduced air supremacy. Now, what are the advancements that we can see in your present Tejas variant is first and foremost robotic drilling machine by L&T, like I mentioned. Another thing is active electronically scanned array radars, electronic warfare suit, and improved maintainability. These are all the proposed advancements in your new version of Tejas variant has Mk1A compared to your LCA. Now we will see about your LCA or light combat aircraft. The light combat aircraft was started in 1984 under the Aegis, and again the main important one here is your DRDO. This was bought in mainly to replace your MiG-21 fighter planes. As the name itself says, light combat aircraft. It is light, small, and tailless. Another thing is it is air to air, air to surface, and it can carry precision guided weapons. It is air to air fueling capabilities. Maximum payload capacity is 4000 kgs, and maximum speed is 1.8 Mach. And the range of the aircraft is 3000 kilometers. Okay, this is with regarding to your light combat aircraft. Let's look at some prelims question. Now before that we'll see some variants of Tejas trainer, it's a two-seater operational. Then now look at this Tejas Mk1 variant. Now this is a higher thrust engine. The present one that we are speaking about is a higher thrust engine. Some of the questions with regard to this: which one of the following is the best description of INS Ashtradharini that was in the news recently? This was a 2016 question. I'm just trying to give a different versions of questions that they can ask in UPSC. Amphibious warfare ship, nuclear powered submarine, torpedo launch and recovery vessel, nuclear powered aircraft carrier. The correct answer is torpedo launch and a recovery vessel. In the context of Indian defense, what is Dhruv? Aircraft carrying warship, missile carrying submarine, advanced light helicopter, intercontinental ballistic missile. Correct answer is advanced light helicopter. Understanding? So these of your defense news will become very important from your prelims perspective. Hope you have understood. We reached the end of the content. If you like our content, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and share it along with your friends. Thank you.